exhaust. What are they? I don't even know what they call those. Like now you call those K7, K6 by generation. I don't know what the chassis code is called. Like K22. Like I know some of the newer than that, but older than these ones are like L11, etc., etc. But I saw that on Gsxr, so I don't know if that's. I mean, a 1000. So I don't know if that's a 1000 thing only. But nonetheless, we gonna unbox this damn exhaust setup. Like I was saying, I got it off of eBay because a lot of the M4s, brand new, the M4 shorties, were sold out, and I wasn't gonna wait a month, from eBay for somebody to basically drop ship it in essence. They order it and either send it to them and then it comes to me, or they order it and it comes to me, kind of thing. When I could just figure it out different kinds of ways. I actually managed to get it cheaper that way. Here, what I'll actually do is just this between the two. So, if you're familiar with these Gsxrs in general, the newer ones, you have this big ass cat. Please stay. Got a huge fucking cat down here, and you have to get rid of that for most of the sound, especially like the older ones. You need to get rid of the slip-on, that takes care of that, and it sounds amazing. These, you can take the muffler straight off, which I actually did do. I wish I had a video and talked about it, because they say you'll kind of have that like dead spot from back pressure, and it did. I noticed it when I did a kind of colder start. Probably took off at like 125 miles per hour. I mean, temperature wise, and it just really didn't feel right. So I put that back on there, left the shield off just for aesthetics for my light, but it's really quiet nonetheless without the cat. With the cat. So we assume that this is gonna be the slip-on itself. But like I said, I got another set of OE headers. So I'll literally just, what's that one? That one's already blocked off. So I'll literally just have to cut the cat off of my bike, which I would have to do if I ever got this pipe for the cat delete anyways. So that one's already on there. And I think I got it for just over $250, under 300 ship. So price-wise, it really wasn't bad. I think the bike it came off of was crashed. It was off of a 2020. So unfortunately, someone put their 2020 down already. But yeah, as I said, I'm probably not going to use the shield anyways, but it is a little rough, as you can see. So I'm assuming they put their 2020 down, unfortunately. So I'm probably just going to end up cutting this at the weld instead of taking my manifold off. Or maybe I'll just take my manifold off. I don't know. Mine's brand new, so I almost don't want to even touch it if I don't have to. But I have to take the same fairing off anyways, so we'll see. Don't use blade, but we don't have a choice. Not the best option with a blade either. So that's why the package said USPS, but FedEx had delivered it. Kind of threw me off, but because my mail came, and I was like, yo, where's my exhaust? It's supposed to come today. He even keeps telling me to be here today. Yeah, so M4 shorty. There we go. I'm not too worried about getting a brand new one, especially the price I got. But nonetheless, can't wait to put that on. It's gonna sound so much better. Listen, should I do like a sound thing? See how it sounds stock? If you aren't familiar with Gsxr with the stock exhaust with the cat, but yeah, so hopefully soon it'll sound more so like this one's not the worst today. I don't feel like standing it up. That's it. I don't feel like standing it up, so guess we're not gonna hear no good sounds today. But yeah, so nonetheless, I'm gonna either have to take my manifold off and just take it off as one whole assembly and replace it with this whole assembly, put the slip-on on, or I'll be doing just like I would normally have to do, cut this cat delete pipe off of this exhaust manifold assembly, and then do the normal route of replacing, welding that on there, and then putting the slip-on that setup. So I don't know which way I will do it, but pretty soon I'll probably have a video for that too. But until then, that's it. That's gonna be it, fella.